In planning construction or similar tasks, it's important to consider what machines you should be using. However, what's most important is finding a tool that works with great speed but still provides high-quality performance. Hello, and welcome back to Mighty Machines. In today's video, we'll be talking about 8 of the machines and services that take productivity to a whole new level. Let's first explore the Daptex Wand system. This is the type of pavement coating machine from Panther manufactured to assist in spraying a new seal coat on pavement without needing much manual labor or team of workers. One person can even finish an entire process on their own. Aside from its built-in sprayer, this machine also guarantees a consistent and uniform coverage on every surface it goes through. Its lightweight yet durable design also helps a lot for the operation to be easier and smoother. Without requiring a full crew and a long list of other machines, the Daptex Wand system makes sure that no coating is ever wasted. Whenever constructing houses or buildings, one of the most crucial parts of determining whether it will look good or not is the way it's painted. Workers have to make sure that walls are fairly painted and no dirt sticks to the wet paint. Of all the places, one of the hardest parts to paint is the roof. This is where the EDH construction team comes in. With their airless spraying machine, there's no longer any need to go through a messy week-long process of painting the roof. In just minutes, this team can guarantee you a fully painted roof. This does not only speed things up, but also cuts down the costs for labor and materials too, hence making renovation a relatively easier task to do. This next one we'll introduce will surely blow your mind with how versatile and excellent their performance is. This is the Tops Asphalt, and their 30 years of experience have made them experts on yard work. True to their motto, "We do it all," they have quite a lot of tasks they can effortlessly accomplish. First, they are great partners for seal coating of parking lots, roads, and driveways while offering crack filling and parking lot stripping. The sealer they use can be applied either through a squeegee or a sprayer. They also offer drainage services and their core business, which is resurface. This is available to both new construction or paving over existing gravel parking lots and roads. Aside from that, they can also do striping on any sized job, from single slot parking to many hundreds of slots. In keeping our homes and cities clean, workers and machines in the garbage collection industry surely contribute a lot to it. This next portion is dedicated to an impressive garbage truck that helps collect and dispose of trash properly. With its unique power and way of doing things, handling a full garbage bin isn't an issue for this machine. This is all thanks to the 2-stage process it uses to hold the trash. First, an arm grabs the bin so that its contents can be placed in the collector in front. This process is repeated until the collector is filled. When that happens, the contents of the collector is transferred to a larger one that can be seen at the back of the truck. It's even more amazing once you know that operators can no longer need to get in contact with the trash, since their role is only to stop the machine so that its job can start automatically. On another part, we'll have to see the lead production in the Chill Factory Ltd. On the next clips, you'll be seeing how they produce lead and lead sheets. First, they fill a certain box with sand. Then, they have an expert assigned to flatten the surface of the sand manually. A uniform and symmetrical shape should be maintained in this step so the quality of the lead sheet wouldn't be affected. After that, they heat up the lead until it reaches 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit and it's completely molten. When those conditions are met, workers pour it into a smaller tank so that the flow of the liquid can be controlled more. Then, they have this tool that helps them pour the lead into the surface with such precision and perfect control. This tool needs 2 workers for it to function properly. Finally, the hardened steel is measured and cut so that the rolling and storage is made easier. In terms of cutting metals in the most precise way, laser cutters are the best way to go. They can cut all types of metals such as mild steel to stainless and also non-ferrous metals. The BLM Group is one of the best laser cutting providers in the market. In this clip, you'll see them cut a square metal tube through the help of their LS5 laser cutter. This cuts it with so much accuracy and quality to the point that airplane and spacecraft manufacturing companies trust them in making some of their needed parts. This is truly another wonder brought by high-level engineering and innovation. If you live in areas where winter causes so many issues, you surely know how bothersome snow on your roof can become. Although it may look in pictures, the snow on the roof still needs to be removed or else you'll need to face the risk of a roof collapsing. Good thing that this tool is made from Finland is now existing, making snow roof removal as easy as 1, 2, 3. Variations of this tool come based on the length of their handle. It has an upper portion with 2mm aluminum cutter. This is essential for grabbing the snow, and a fiberglass telescopic tube shaft, hence making it easier to use and it's very lightweight. When traveling through land, you might notice that the roads you take have these lines painted over them. These are very important to maintain road safety as well as to keep different lanes separate. However, they are also very prone to the continuous wearing and tearing. This is where the road marking services by the STiM company comes in. They have machines designed to paint roads in an excellent manner, but without sacrificing their speed too. They have been the favorite partner for road marking works because they provide great accuracy and speed, and they've never failed for years. Indeed, a very impressive and reliable machine. This is the end of our list of the 8 machines and services that take productivity to a whole new level. Before we end, we'd like to let you know that we'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we post something new. Thank you for watching.